In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button move when hovering over it in Squarespace. For this example, I'm going to be moving this button right here to the right once I hover over it. Now, unfortunately, Squarespace have made this more difficult than it needs to be. So what we need to do to make this happen is use some code, and you also need to download this extension right here on your Chrome browser. It's called Squarespace ID Finder. Both the code and this extension are completely free, and they're available down in the description of this video. So don't worry, you don't need to spend any money on this solution. It's also quite easy once you watch this video and understand how everything works. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and download this extension, install it on your Chrome browser, and make it available right here, or rather pin it to your browser right here. You can find the link for it in the description of the video. Next, go ahead and copy the code that you will find in the description of the video as well, because we're going to need that in a bit. Then go to your Squarespace editor, and then make sure to either add the button to your Squarespace that you want to make move, or if you have a button that is already there, then great. Go to the page and find where that is. Then exit out of the editor. And then what you want to do on the left hand side of the screen here, you will see the side menu. You will see this search button. Simply click on it and search for CSS, and then click on the only option, which is custom CSS right here. Then you will see this window open up on the left hand side. I want you to go all the way down to the button, and then I want you to paste the code that we just copied from the description of the video. It looks just like this, and that's pretty much it. The functionality for me is already set for the button to move to the right once I hover over it. Now, if you want the button to move to the left, all you have to do is simply set this to a -10, just like that, and then as you can see, it moves to the left. Up here where it says transform, you can also set this to 1 second. So for example, if you want the hovering animation to take 1 second rather than 0.3 seconds, as you can see, the movement is significantly slower. Let me just make this a bit bigger so you can see more easily. Now, when it comes to moving this button in any other direction, unfortunately, I can't show every single direction because it can go up left, up right, down left, or whatever. What I recommend you to do is to simply copy the code, plug it into ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT what you want the button to do, whether it's to move up to the left and then down to the right, or whatever it might be. And then ChatGPT will give you an alternative to this code right here that you can just plug in, and it will basically work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make button move when hovering over it in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.